In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can stop message requests on Facebook Messenger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Facebook Messenger. Then what you want to do is tap on your little profile icon there at the top left-hand corner. That'll show you some information, but you just want to scroll down a bit until you get to the privacy option. So it's right there underneath archive chats. Tap on privacy, and then you want to tap on message delivery right at the top. And here it says decide whether message requests go to your chats list, your message request folder, or whatever to receive them at all. So if you want to stop message requests, you have to go into each of these. So I'm going to tap on the first one, people with your phone number. And then I'm going to tap on don't receive requests. And then they won't be able to send me message requests. Then I can go back, go to the next one, friends of friends on Facebook. Don't receive requests. Go back, others on Facebook. Don't receive a request, so just put them all on that setting, and then those people won't be able to send me message requests. But the people that can still send you messages and everything like that are your friends on Facebook and people that you've connected with on Facebook. So if you don't want to receive messages from a specific person, then you have to go and block the person. So that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.